Hello, today I'm here to review the V325 phone from Motorola provided by Verizon Wireless. The first thing you'll notice about this phone is that it has a sleek outside with a rubberized edging and a stylish metallic front. The outside display is not like most displays with the color and picture, but it simply provides the time in a black and white display. When we open up the phone, the first thing we notice is that the keypad is black with blue lettering, which makes it very easy to see at night and also very attractive. The display is pretty large for a cell phone, and it's very bright and easy to read. If we look at the buttons, it has the normal keypad and a camera button and the send and receive button, and on the side it has volume buttons and a speakerphone on this side, and on this side it actually has a voice recognition button, and so you can do most of the functions of the phone, the camera, finding a contact, and all those other things just by speaking it into the phone. When we actually get into the interface, it has the standard Verizon Wireless interface they're putting on all their new phones, so you can go through and change some settings, the wallpaper, the brightness, the language, all of that like normal, manage your contacts, look at your text messages. And then it also has Get It Now, where you can get ringtones and pictures and also applications. And one of the new features of this phone that not many phones have yet is the VZ Navigator, which I've actually had the opportunity to test. And it basically works like a GPS. You go into the application, it finds out where you are, you can tell it anywhere you want to go, and it actually speaks directions to you out loud. And as you go, it changes and updates and lets you know exactly where you're going. It's very useful if you need that sort of a thing. The camera on this phone is actually a pretty nice phone. It's VGA, it's 640 by 480, which isn't high by camera standards, but it's pretty good quality, and I've actually compared it to the camera on other phones, and it has a much better quality. When you're taking pictures at night, the pictures don't appear nearly as grainy as other cameras. Instead, the contrast seems to keep the darks dark and tries to light up some of the subjects, and so that's very nice. It also has a photo editing program where you can crop pictures, add clip art, and do a few other things to manipulate them. So overall, this phone seems to be full of features. Signal-wise, it gets excellent reception. I haven't ever had a problem with it where anyone can get reception. And it has a extendable antenna. The battery in it seems to last several days with use, and so I would highly recommend the Motorola V325 phone.